Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie and today I will be preparing a lovely dish of pineapple shrimp fried rice. I came across this lovely pineapple at Costco and I decided it's about 3 pounds. I decided to use it to make some fried rice. Let's get started. So first I will put the rice to cook. I am using brown rice today. For one reason, the brown rice to make fried rice, I find that the brown rice make the fried rice easier because it is more shelly, like it don't bind so much like the white rice. But use the rice of your choice. So I'll first wash my rice. Then I will add my rice. Also, I'll add some salt. I'm using the pink salt. Some turmeric for color and for taste. And I will add some coconut milk. Of course, I'm using Grace coconut milk. I need more water, so I'll put more pineapple juice. So now that I set the rice to cook, I will start cleaning the shrimp. These are some bigger shrimp, guys. These are what you call black jumbo shrimp, and these are the shrimp that I'm using for the fried rice. So I'll start cleaning the shrimp. So if you buy shrimp and the black vein is in the back of the shrimp here, that means the shrimp didn't get clean. So you need to remove the back vein because that's where the shrimp store all the pieces. So it is important to move the vein from the back of the shrimp. So now the shrimp all clean, I will add my seasoning to the shrimp. In the interest of time, I have some mixed vegetable here. I'll set it to boil, maybe 3 minutes or so after boiling. So I'm using some paprika. Let me see this content. So this is some fish seasoning I'm using here, guys. Paprika is just for a little color and spice, really. Some garlic powder. Smells nice. Smelling really nice. So now my shrimp is all seasoned. I will just wrap the shrimp, put it aside to marinate for a while. So now I will go ahead and I will cut my pineapple. I'll be cutting this pineapple in 2 halves. And I'll gut it, use the gut to make some pineapple ginger juice, and also I will incorporate some of the pineapple in the stir fry, in the fried rice, sorry. Wash. Wow, look how pretty it looks. Okay guys, there you have it, all scooped out. This pineapple, I'm gonna add this to the fried rice, so I'm gonna add this to the fries, so I will just burn these a little and then dice it to put it in the rice. So now I am grilling the pineapple. okay? While the pineapple is on the grill, I will just go ahead and get these ones in the blender to make a juice. And I will also use some pineapple juice. The remaining pineapple juice from the rice, because remember guys, I use the pineapple juice to cook the rice also. Oh my gosh guys, I almost forget my ginger for the pineapple juice. However, not too late. I will just chop the ginger and add it. Not too late. How can it be ginger pineapple juice without ginger? Wow. So now I'll get started with the shrimp, because the shrimp set aside for so long have already marinated. To do the stir fry, I'm gonna use some sesame seed oil along with some avocado oil. So I'll mix both oils and use it for the shrimp. In the meantime, I will just retrieve the pineapple from the grill. Beautiful. The rice is already cooked. So this is pineapple coconut rice. I can't wait for it to be done. Guys, I love cooking fun meal like these. Now I will chop the pineapple. This knife not working. I would add a piece more onion, egg, So now that I whisk the egg, I will add the rice. And guys, this is pineapple coconut rice. So it have been prepared with coconut milk and pineapple juice. For color, I add a little turmeric powder. Pineapple. Okay, now it's finished. So now for my favorite part. I am gonna be plating and eating. Yeah. Guys, I'm so proud of me. These chives that I'm gonna be using, I just picked them from my backyard. There you have it, guys, finished product. So this is pineapple shrimp fried rice. Tastes so good, alongside some ginger pineapple juice. Guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope you find pleasure in watching it as much as I find pleasure in making this dish for us, collectively, all of us. So let's dig into it and give you the true taste. This is so refreshing and nice. So good, guys, so good. Let me taste the shrimp. Beautiful, lovely, love how it tastes. I have to go sit and eat this. I have to enjoy this. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my video. See you in the next video.